In this video, I'll show you how to reset LG Magic Remote. Step 1. Unpair and reset. Hold the home and back buttons together on the remote for about 5 seconds. Release when the power button LED flashes or you see the remote registration message disappear on screen. Step 2. Remove or reinsert batteries. Open the battery compartment, remove the batteries for 10 seconds to ensure a full power cycle, then replace them. Step 3. Pair Magic Remote. Point the remote at your LG TV and press the central scroll wheel, the OK button, to register. Wait for the on-screen confirmation. Now some troubleshooting tips. If pairing fails, check for low batteries, ensure your TV is powered on and try again. If the issues persist, update the TV firmware or consider a remote replacement. And that is how you reset your LG Magic Remote on LG TV. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.